Hey guys, wanted to do a video on this little Honda Express. It's a 1980 Honda Express. Basically stripped it all the way down. Actually, my brother had it all tore apart. I picked it back up from him and started putting it back together. Painted the whole frame, tank, all the plastics, everything except for the engine cover, which I still got to do. But basically just wanted to go over it. I've got to pull the side cover off still. It's leaking some oil, so when I pull it off, get a new gasket for it and seals, and then I'll paint it to match the fender and the air filter cover. These little pieces here. Both of these were actually already cracked. See the other side? The other side's not as bad, but this one's got a pretty nasty crack, probably from somebody standing on it or something. Fuel tank's all painted. I've spilt some gas all over it, which I've got to get a new seal for the gas, probably a new oil cap too. This one, neither one of these are tight. They're all dry rotted and loose, so get those replaced. Trying to think what else I need to do with this. Probably a new seat cover for it. I think that's about it. A new petcock, because the petcock's leaking fuel as well. So I've got a few things to order with it to get it where it needs to be. That's why it's outside right now. It's leaking gas. So and then I got to finish up getting the headlight and all the wiring back in it, which shouldn't take too much. So I'm trying to think what else. A bracket for the speedometer. I need to get that under piece for it put on there. I do have the speedo cable for it. I just don't have it on yet. But yeah, everything so far. I've got to tighten up the brakes and some different things, but for the most part, I'll go ahead and see if she'll fire back up. Let's slip it off, sorry. So you press these down until they quit clicking, and then pull it on the brake. Fires right up. Yeah, pretty cool. I don't have the kill switch or any of that hooked up yet, so I'm pulling the plug off. But yeah, runs really well. It'll be kind of fun. I think the kids will enjoy riding this around. So got a few things left on it, but thought I'd kind of show the progress. I think this was in a couple of the earlier videos. So anyway, anybody has any questions on this, feel free to ask. And again, if you guys like the content, subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks again.